And now moving on to other matters, the National Gender-Based Violence Hotline has registered increased cases of sexual and gender-based violence since the coronavirus pandemic was first reported in the country in the month of March. Speaking during the launch of a report dubbed Trapped Within the Lockdown, Public Service and Gender Cabinet Secretary Professor Margaret Kobia said the escalating numbers, especially among young children, is a worrying trend, as many perpetrators are people who should be offering protection to the vulnerable group.
Gender-based violence continued to escalate in the country, with containment measures instituted to curb the spread of the coronavirus pandemic, isolating victims even further and often keeping victims in close proximity with their violators. Speaking during the launch of a sexual and gender-based violence report titled Trapped Within a Lockdown, Understanding Sexual and Gender-Based Violence, Public Service and Gender Cabinet Secretary Margaret Kobia said the National Gender-Based Violence Hotline has registered a 45% increase, with violence on women accounting for 67%.
There is high prevalence of GBV cases in Nairobi, Kakamega, Kisumu, Nakuru, Kiambu, all those counties. Those who are reporting very low numbers of sexual and gender-based cases include Isiolo, Samburu, Tarakaniti, Arisa, and Marsabit.
Kobia noting that children are also facing increased cases of physical, emotional and sexual violence, with perpetrators majorly being people known to them and, in certain instances, people who should be protecting them.
By launching this report, the Association of Professional Criminology of Kenya has focused a spotlight on this problem that needs a deliberate, case-specific intervention.
Deputy Inspector General of Police Edward Mbugua urging members of public not to remain silent and instead report any forms of sexual and gender-based violence to authorities.
The National Police Service is currently in the process of developing a multi-sectoral one-stop center as an initiative to respond to GBV.
He also urged parents to keenly monitor the activities of their children during the current coronavirus pandemic. Those seeking to report such cases can do so through a toll-free Kenya Police Service number 08007 30999. Caroline Kamar reporting for Channel 1 News.